Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and today I'm going to show you a trick when it comes to compositing, selecting and moving layers. So normally when you want to move a layer, you select that layer and you can position it, put it somewhere there or something like that. So you have to select that layer. No matter how many layers you have, you select it, and then you can even zoom in and move it around and all that. And you can tell me that, Kazungu, I have my auto select layer on, and I can move this around when I'm just having the auto selection. So for example, if I've zoomed in and I want maybe to move something around and the auto selection is selected, and I can move it maybe something like that, and when I come back, I check, if I zoom out, I realized that that photo has just been displaced from where it was, and the design does not look even fine. So how can you do this in Photoshop when, for example, you have so many layers like the layers that I have here, and you want to auto select that layer without distracting other layers? So guys, first of all, put off this auto select layer, and then you can now hit Control on your keyboard and you hover over these layers, and you will see these purple lines. When that purple line shows, that means that layer is active. You can now move it, and look at that. I think I like that. Again, when I hold Alt, this one is selected because you can see this purple guide. Also deer is selected, it has the purple guide. So when I want to move anything, provided that purple guide is seen, I can just select and move it just like that. This 2020, if I need to move, like for example, I need it to be here, I can just move it just like that. If this contact I want to move, once it shows that purple guide, I can now move it around, and place it to where I want. You can do absolutely anything, and once it is selected, it is automatically selected on this layer. And so when you hold in Control, you realize that this auto selection is checked. You see, I've released the Control, and once I press the Control, that is auto selected. Once I release, it is unchecked and checked, unchecked. So once you hold Control, it will be automatically checked, and you can hover over any layer and position it the way you want. So guys, that was the trick for today, and I hope that this video helped you. You can jump in and watch other videos that I make about Photoshop and photo manipulation and graphics design, and you will find rich information on my channel. Make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment telling me that I have subscribed, and I will try my level best to reply to all the comments that you have made, and turn on the notifications so that you, my friend, do not miss any tips, tricks or tutorials. So guys, I hope I will see you in my future tutorials. Until then, remember to keep creating.